Gorilla Tag, great idea to add to Forest. So you hear the bird sounds. Where are the birds? I'm not sure if the bird sounds a bit hearable in the video, but where are the birds? Like if you've ever played Gorilla Tag in Forest, most likely you've heard of the bird sounds. You've heard the bird sounds. So why don't we have a bird always flapping around? Maybe they can even make it where you can pick it up and grab it, like Doug the Bug. But yeah, I just think it would make sense for them to add like a bird or something like that to fly around. So yeah, please Gorilla Tag, add this. Make sure to like if you agree, and make sure to comment your thoughts on it too. All right, have a great day. Bye.